In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a flicker strobe effect in CapCut PC. If you want to give your video a more energetic feel with flashing light or a fast pulsing overlay, this is one of the easiest ways to do it using CapCut's built-in effects. The nice thing here is that you don't need to create the effect manually. CapCut already includes light animations you can apply in just a few clicks, and then you can quickly adjust the speed to get the exact intensity you want. To begin, move your mouse to the top left area of the CapCut interface and click on the Effects tab. This opens the built-in effects library where CapCut organizes different visual styles into categories. On the far left side, you'll see the directory column with folders for different effect types. Scroll down through that list until you find the category labeled Nightclub, then click on it once. This folder contains effects designed to create bold, flashy, high-energy visuals, which makes it the right place to find this strobe look. Once you're inside the Nightclub category, look through the grid of effect thumbnails until you find the one labeled Black Flash or Strobe. As you hover over it, CapCut will show you a quick preview so you can get a sense of how the flashing effect looks before applying it. When you've found the correct effect, click the blue plus sign in the corner of the thumbnail. CapCut will instantly add it to your project and place it on the timeline as a purple effect layer above your video footage. That purple track is what controls the strobe overlay, and it sits separately from your main video, so it's easy to adjust. Next, if you want to control how fast the flicker pulses on the screen, click once on that purple effect block in the timeline. Then move your attention to the top right properties panel. This is where you can fine-tune the settings for the selected effect. Under the effect parameters, find the speed slider. Drag the slider to the right until it reaches around 80. Setting it around this level creates a sharper, faster flicker, which gives the effect a more intense and attention-grabbing look in the preview window. And that's it. You've gone from the effects library to a fully applied strobe effect in just a few quick moves. With the Nightclub effect selected and the speed adjusted, your flicker animation is ready to enhance transitions or add extra impact to your edit.